Hi, Ken.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
You introduce yourself. Go. Okay.
What's my name?
What's your name?
Ezekiel Mateo Aben.
Very good. And how old are you?
4.
4. Wow. Can you count 4?
1, 2. Oh, nani, 2.
2. Then 3. And
4.
4. Good job. And where do you live?
You got the buckle. Everything.
And where?
Tell why everything.
No, everywhere.
I guess
When you say everywhere, it means place. Okay?
Oh,
If everything is things, okay?
okay.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Spider-Man and police.
You want to be a Spider-Man and a policeman? Wow.
Oh,
Why?
Spider-Man first.
Spider-Man first and then a policeman. Why? Saan si Daddy?
So, no. Ship.
Sheep. And where's the place? What place?
China.
Yes. And Daddy, what is Daddy's work?
China.
Daddy is a seafarer.
Fair.
Yes. What about Mommy? What is the work of Mom? What is Mommy's work?
Flowers.
Flowers. Mommy sell flowers. Yeah?
I'm with me. Can I sell flowers?
Yes, you do.
Help me, Mom.
Okay, I will help you. And what is the name of the flower shop?
Flower shop? Flower shop.
Yeah, Kikil's flower shop.
Kickers. Flower shop.
Yung school mo, honey?
Happy home.
Happy Homes. Ano yung natutunan mo sa school? Can you sing a song na natutunan mo sa school?
No.
Huh?
Green. Green. Every green. Everything green.
Very good. And how about the other one? Good.
Bye. Goodbye. See you again.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Okay, what is your favorite movie?
Fergie and
Toy Story?
Toy Story.
What number? What? Toy Story ano?
Toy Story 4.
Toy Story 4?
Toy Story 2.
Toy Story 2? What is your favorite thing to do? You love to draw a monster, and you love to cut. You love to cut what?
The paper.
The paper. And then what else? What's your favorite food?
Ube.
Ube?
Chicken.
Chicken? And
Cake. Pop.
and lollipop. How about what are the things or what are the foods
No,
that you
no.
hate?
Lemon.
Lemon? Some pet?
Yes.
How many pets?
2.
2. What's the name?
Puloktai.
Puluktai and
Manuel.
Puluktai is a
Dog.
dog and Manuel is a
Cat.
oh, nice. How about what's he? Okay, can you make kwento of the Bug's Life? Si Flick.
Si Flick nawala niya yung mga food ng grasshoppers.
Nawala niya yung mga food ng grasshoppers. Natapon niyo ba?
Oh, tapos ako ng help. Tapos nag-games siya, nag-watch, tapos nag-party, tapos nag-band, tapos ikaw, tapos yung grasshoppers again. Tapos nag-fight niya yung mga grasshoppers. Tapos done na.
Nabigyan ng food yung grasshoppers.
Oh,
nabigyan ng food?
No.
Kasi,
And what's not?
okay, and then last,
Jesus. Papa Jesus. I pray. Protect mom and mommy and the baby and daddy and save the world and fight the monsters. Oh, si base I want to watch that. And pag nagkaroon yung baby na
do you have a favorite song?
yes,
Can you sing it?
gaga ulala
Yan pala, yung Bad Romance ni Lady Gaga? Yes, okay. How about, what is your favorite dance move? Can you dance? What do you want to say sa baby?
Baby,
Mm-hmm.
be good
Be good
and kind
and kind
and
and,
cute
and be cute.
and
And that's all?
that's all.
Okay, say bye-bye vlog.
Bye bye bye.
See you next year.
See you next year.
Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye here.
Bye bye.
Flying kiss.
Pag nag-talk ako, I will talk to you